Hi, I'm a travel enthusiast with a job who travels the world, capturing new experiences along the way. Please join me on my adventure around the globe as I make it my goal to bring the world to you. I am Alex Wong, and welcome to my channel. Hi guys, welcome to St. Croix. St. Croix is so beautiful. The beach is nice. The water is crystal blue. Hey, what's up guys? Today is a beautiful day in St. Croix and I decided to go kayaking. Kayaking in St. Croix. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button below so you don't miss a new episode as I travel the world. I'll see you guys next time, guys. Bye.